Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another visual pattern challenge. Here's our pattern today. Here's step 1, here's step 2, here's step 3, and your challenge is to predict how many stormtroopers and Darth Vaders are going to be in step number 4. If you can do that, can you predict the number in step 43? And can you write an equation that you could use to predict the number in any step at all? So that's the challenge. If you'd like to give it a try, pause the video and see how it goes. All right, so what's going on in this pattern? Looks like there's one Darth Vader in every single step. So that seems to remain constant, but the number of plain old stormtroopers is growing a little bit. Let's see, there are 3 here, so I'm gonna just block off 3. Looks like we added 2 in this step. And then there are 5 here, so let's block off 5. And then we added 2 more in this step. I see. So I think for step 4, we'd keep the Darth Vader and we'd add 2 more stormtroopers. So this would really just be this plus 2. And let's see how many we have here. This is, well, altogether, if you count the Vader and the stormtroopers, that's 8. So I would predict in step 4, we would have 10. All right, let's go ahead and analyze these numbers. It looks to me like it's linear, seems to be growing at a steady rate each step, and that's what defines a linear pattern or a linear function. But let's look at the step number and the number of, I'm just going to call them all troopers here. So in step 1, we've got 4. In step 2, we've got 6. In step 3, we've got 8. And we're predicting 10 for step 4. If we take the difference there, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2, 10 minus 8 is 2. Yeah, we've got a difference of 2 that is constant. So this is linear. It goes up by 2 each step. We can use that equation for a line, y equals mx plus b. And in for the slope here, m is going to go this difference. It's going to go the rate of growth. So y equals 2x. What the plus b is, we can figure out from looking at the first step. So x is the step number. So if we plug in step 1, if we plug in 1 for x and calculate that, 2 times 1 is 2, we're missing 2, right? There needs to be 2 more here. So we'll just add 2, and that will be the b. So y equals 2x plus 2 should be our equation. Let's test it, though, in step 2. Y equals 2 times step 2 plus 2. So that'd be 4, 5, 6. That's what we've got. In 3, y equals 2 times step 3 plus 2. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8. That's how many we've got. So this equation, y equals 2x plus 2, looks good. And then to figure out the number in step 43, we're just going to plug 43 in for x, for the step number. So y equals 2 times 43 plus 2. And 2 times 43 is 86, plus 2 is 88 stormtroopers. Well, 1 Darth Vader and 87 stormtroopers in step 43. Well, how did that go for you? Did you see this pattern? Did you come up with this equation? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.